Welcome back. Here we are. Hopefully those bar chords have made the sky open up. Wah. Excellent. Good job on that. We're going to keep moving. Now, open chords. A lot of times when I'm playing bluegrass, country, folk music, Americana, I find myself, it's certainly a lot of rock. Rock is like, the rock and pop is this, they're these genres that just envelop everything. And you'll find these open chords used by certain artists quite a bit. There are a lot of primarily, folk artists that use something called a capo and open chords. So they learned their open chords. They learned an open chord is, roughly speaking, an open chord is a chord that's made below the, we'll say below the 5th fret, that employs the use of open string. So E major, we make the shape, we have the low E string, the two top strings here, the E and the B, they're open. Same thing with a C chord. It uses open chords. There's one. A minor, you know that one. There, that's open string. A, that's fretted. There's an open string. High E is an open string. So those are open chords. That's what we call open chords. G chord uses these 3 in the middle. There we go. So that's an open chord. We're going to look at open chords, and I use open chords a lot when playing bluegrass, country, certainly a ton of rock. Just, like I said, rock just kind of eats everything, and certainly pop. So, actually I'm going to take a break here, and I'm going to tune up, but I'll be right back. Okay, I'm all tuned up and I'm back. Let's start with the C major chord. The C does not use the low E string, just like the A minor 7. The open E, the 6th string, we aren't going to use that. C chord. Here we go. Try this. Make an A minor 7 chord. We're strumming these bottom 5 strings, not the low E. All I want you to do here, keep the A minor 7 chord, but take this 3rd finger, your 3rd finger, and put it on the 1, 2, 3rd fret of the A string. That's a C chord. So the root of this chord is no longer A, but it's C. So you have a C major chord. Again, A minor 7 shape. The G string and the high E string are ringing out. 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the A string. You have a C chord. There's your C chord. Now in the play section, what we'll do is we'll start by using A minor 7 to C. A minor 7 to C to get you used to it. All right? That's all for that. And you're just strumming from the A string down. There you have it. That's C chord. Let's get to it. All right. Play section. I'll see you there.